everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Xbox Gamepass for the PC. There's a couple of different methods I want to show you, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is to restart the Xbox app. Of course, you just want to click on Control, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager, end it, and then restart it and see if that helps. The second thing you want to do is to make sure all of the required services are running. So how do you do that? Hit your Windows button and R to find the run menu here. Type in services.msc, and you want to locate 4 services: Xbox Live, Xbox Live Game Save, and Xbox Live Networking Service. So let's see if I can find them. These 3 here, and also one service called Gaming Services right here. Yeah. So for each service, you want to right click on it, hit Properties, and you want the startup type to be automatic. If it's not running, you want to start the service, have it running, and then set it to automatic. And you want to make sure that all 4 of these are running. If these are not running, then and these are not set on automatic, then this might contribute to this error. Now, if you've done this and you're still getting an error, the next thing you want to do is make sure that the time zone and time is set to automatic on Windows. So how do you do that? Go to Settings. Go to Time and Language, go to Date and Time, and you want to set this as off, and then you want to set the time zone to wherever you live. Okay, now this should match the time, the location that your Xbox Game Pass is connected to, and basically this is kind of connected to your Microsoft account on Windows. If this does not match, and then that creates this error for some people. So make sure that this is all good. The next thing you want to try is to reinstall gaming services. So how do you do that? Use PowerShell, search PowerShell, right click, say run as administrator, hit yes. Run the following command: get app-x package. Now this will run. Then after you've done that, you want to start, you want to go to get app-x package, Microsoft Gaming Services, and then type in remove app-x package all users. I don't want to do this now, but you want to remove this, and then go to the Microsoft Store. And what this does is this will remove the Xbox Game Pass package, and then you can reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. This will reinstall gaming services, and this is an issue that causes a lot of people problems. I'll put this PowerShell commands into the Windows video description, so look up for those. And then the last thing you want to do is check the Xbox app installation directory. So basically go to the settings in the app. Here, go to install options here, and if possible, you might want to try changing this to a different directory, or you can try changing the game to a different directory. So right click on it, go to Files. Under Options, if you have more than one partition, I only have 1 partition, so you only see C. But if you have 2 partitions, it will come up here. And you want to try to install it on a different partition, or you want to uninstall it and then reinstall it on a different partition. if the game is installed on a different partition that Xbox Game Pass is installed on, a lot of games do bug out for some reason. It can't access the temporary files for the game for some reason, and that is a big issue. So make sure that they're installed on the same directory. Okay, that is everything from me. If this helped you, leave the video a like. If this didn't help you, leave the video a comment and we'll do my best to get back to you.